Hey guys, welcome back to Shib. Joe Biden administration to put an end to Shiba Inu Shib news. The White House published a statement warning about the risks of cryptocurrency, pointing to the last year's various collapses. The statement opened with a summary of a tough year for crypto, referencing the collapse of Terra and FTX, but noting there did not appear to be any contagion from the crypto industry to the broader financial ecosystem. In this video, we will talk about the Joe Biden administration to put an end to Shiba Inu Shib news. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content. Without further ado, let's begin the video. Shiba Inu is one of the most talked about cryptocurrencies in 2023. With its price rising 7% in just 24 hours. This has made many investors curious about the future of Shib and whether it's a good investment. Shiba Inu has had a great start to the year, with its price rising over 60% this year. It recently reached an intraday high of 15 cents, cementing its position as one of 2023 top-performing cryptos. The upward surge of the Shiba Inu coin has been attributed to the positive economic climate, which instilled optimism in investors and encouraged them to invest in the crypto market. Furthermore, these macroeconomic conditions also played a significant role in the success of this digital asset. Furthermore, the Shiba Inu gained further traction due to the upcoming launch of Shibuya, a Layer 2 blockchain supported by Shiba Inu and built on the Ethereum mainnet. According to Cointelegraph, news of Shiba Farm's launch on February 14th fueled the SHIB price recovery. Furthermore, the U.S. Central Bank's reduction of the interest rate by 25 basis points also greatly impacted the cryptocurrency market sentiment. Another factor that may support the cryptocurrency industry is the increasing regulation of cryptocurrencies as a digital payment method. According to Mark Yusko, founder and CEO of Morgan Creek Capital Management, the bull market in crypto is likely to begin sooner than anticipated due to anticipation of the BTC halving and positive macroeconomic factors. As previously noted, the price of SHIB has climbed by almost 60% this year. However, the surge may be attributed to the upcoming introduction of Shibuya, a Layer 2 blockchain backed by Shiba Inu and built on the Ethereum mainnet. The Shiba Inu community has taken drastic measures to decrease the availability of SHIB meme tokens. Over 502% more coins are being removed from active Shiba wallets than before, showing that their efforts have been very successful. The rising value of tokens can be attributed to the fact that some are burned, which means they are removed from the supply and circulation. This decreases the overall availability, creating greater demand for it and thus increasing its price. Shiba Inu has outrun most of the digital asset markets as the hype continues to build around the top meme cryptocurrency. SHIB is up over 80% since the beginning of the year and more than 32% in the last 7 days, trading at 1,461 cents. The Shiba Inu ecosystem is anticipating the launch of its new layer to upgrade Shibarium, a scaling solution built on top of Ethereum similar to Polygon. Days ago, crypto exchange BitGo announced the listing of Bowen shibaswap. The token used for gas fees on Shibuya says Bowen is a governance token of the shibaswap ecosystem, which will allow the Shib army to vote on upcoming proposals. The more Bowen the user holds, the more weight their vote carries in the future endeavors. Bowen has a total of 250 million tokens. Bowen is worth $1.79, down over 3% in the last 24 hours. However, the 110 ranked crypto as SET remains up over 62% in the last. Bowen currently has a market cap of more than $411 million. Last week, the Shib army supporters and enthusiasts of Shiba Inu launched a petition to get Binance, the largest crypto exchange in the world, to list Bowen. This petition is designed to kindly request of Binance to please list Bowen token to trade. Let's encourage Binance to be the first traditional brokerage to get on this train. Binance has not yet responded to the request, but the crypto exchange staked 4 trillion SHIB tokens last month, worth about $35 million. After Shiba Inu developers announced that Bowen would be the utility token of Shibuya, pushing further its demands and agenda. The Shiba Inu community has conducted multiple campaigns and petitions in the past. One such major instance from the past is the Shiba Army, rallying behind to list the Shiba Inu cryptocurrency on the Robinhood exchange. A total of 559,559 supporters signed it. Now, in the new petition, the Shiba Inu army is calling for listing the governance token of the decentralized exchange, shibaswap on the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, Binance. The petition is live on change.org, and so far it has gained nearly 1,500 votes. Decentralized exchange shibaswap is the brainchild of Shiba Inu developers and was founded by its pseudonymous founder Shiba Inu. The governance token of the shibaswap ecosystem will allow the Shiba army to vote on upcoming proposals. The voting for this proposal will take place in DAO, the decentralized autonomous organization of shibaswap. The greater the number of BON tokens a user holds, the more weight they will have in these future endeavors. The total number of BON tokens is 250 million and will be used to pay the gas fees on Shiba Inu as much awaited Layer 2 scalability protocol Shib. As per the latest updates, the Shibuya launch will happen this month on February 14. Also, lead developer Satoshi Kusama has confirmed that things are on track for the Shiba AEM launch. The petition further notes that Shib, BON, and Leash shall lead the next phase of the DeFi revolution. It further adds shibaswap gives users the ability to dig, provide liquidity, bury stake, and swap tokens to gain wolf returns through our sophisticated and innovative passive income reward system. Our platform also allows the Shib army to access upcoming NFTs and additional tools such as portfolio trackers to make navigating the crypto world simple. If this petition from Shiba army succeeds, it would certainly be a huge deal. The world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, Binance, will offer massive liquidity to the BON tokens. This will thus give more power to BON owners and other players in the Shiba ecosystem. Shiba Inu native token Shib is trading at a whopping 13% for 1,417 cents. Despite all the market turmoil over the last year, Shib continues to hold its place among the top 15 crypto assets. Recently, the White House published a statement warning about the risks of cryptocurrencies, pointing to last year's various collapses. The statement opened with a summary of a tough year for crypto. The senior administration official said about the statement, "We're hopeful that Congress will take strong action addressing needs in this space, but we're continuing to push forward on the administrative front, implementing a lot of the executive order recommendations, as well as encouraging regulators to continue their efforts to ramp up enforcement and crack down on bad practices in the space," the official said, calling the approach dual track. The official pointed to congressional actions, including Senate Banking Committee Chairman Sherrod Brown's letter to Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen on crypto regulation, and said the White House's own efforts would focus more on issues like implementing the executive order's recommendations. Last week's statement pointed to the administration's previous announcements, such as the framework on digital assets and statements published by departments within the federal government, including a joint statement from bank regulators also published last week. But the events of the past year underscore that more is needed. Agencies have redoubled their efforts to fight fraud, including the proliferation of false or misleading claims about crypto assets being insured by the FDIC. And while the United States is already a global leader in fighting money laundering and terrorist financing, enforcement agencies are devoting increased resources to combating illicit activities involving digital assets, the statement said. "I think that given the events of the last fall, we were very mindful of the need to implement a lot of the safeguards that were called for in the FSOC reports. Things like segregating customer assets, getting additional visibility into vertically integrated firms, cracking down conflicts of interest, addressing spot market jurisdiction." They said, and that's a long list, but I think they're all part and parcel of how we make sure we'll be protecting consumers and supporting financial stability, the official said. That's a wrap for today. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content.